Hey guys, Ed here. Today in this video I'd like to show you how to remove taillights in order to replace taillight bulbs, this light and this light. So let's start. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the trunk. Pop the trunk, and I'm going to show you on this side. Over here we have a couple of things we have to remove. This is going to be this thing here. You just unscrew it and you can get it out. Then you have to remove these two clips. They are actually pain in the ass to remove, so be prepared to get some tools. But actually, if you do it only with the screwdriver, it also should work. You should just... It's uncomfortable to do this right now with the left hand, but you get the point. You have to just wiggle it, just get it out. Okay, here we go. Okay, after that we will try to get this clip out, but it's actually not too necessary. So here we have a cover, just bend it back, and here we have let me see, yeah, three plastic, what do you call it? I don't know, nuts or whatever you call it. We have to remove these, so we have to remove these three things. One, two, and there's one inside, and three. Hello. Yes. After that we should be able to just get the light out. As you can see, very simple, like this. Then just spin it, take it out, and if you have to replace it, what you do, you just pull the bulb off with your fingers. Just take it with your fingers and pull it off. It should come off. Then at the parts store, get the different replacement bulb. Same way, put it back in, then put the light back in, then till it clicks, click, okay, and put the light back in place. So you can see, very simple. Now put back three things again, and put back this cover or this clip and this thing. Okay, so as you remember, so okay, hold it with one hand, tighten it up, and do it with all three. Okay, once you have all three things back in place, you just put the cover back like this. Take the clip, put it in, and take this thing and screw it on. Okay, next thing, if we have to replace this light here, it's a little bit different. We have to remove two clips, so that's what we start with. Same way, take a screwdriver and remove 1 and 2. Yeah guys, I must warn you, getting these clips out is real pain in the butt. So once you have these two clips out, you are able to get the panel out of your way. And the same thing here, spin, pull out. But this bulb changes a little bit differently. You can how to film this? Well, you see this thing here, you press on it and pull off the bulb here with another hand. So I'm gonna try to film it. So you press it and pull on the gray part. So just pull it off. So this is how the bulb actually looks. Yeah, so you can just take the bulb, go to parts store, same way, get another one, replacement one, replace it. When you have a new one, again, connect, till it clicks, slide it in, find the correct position, okay, and spin it. That's it, till it clicks. Once it's back in, put the cover on, take your clips. So one clip goes in here, okay, and the second clip goes in here. That's it. So guys, that's the whole procedure. As you can see, it's actually very simple. Everyone can do this, and most likely you're not gonna break nothing. So if this helps, please press like and have a great day. Bye.